Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some new glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and take a look at our insert schedule. And for today, October the 23rd, we should be receiving a new save insert. I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little heads up. I did pick up mine on Wednesday, and there are some really good coupons in this insert. So definitely go out and check your newspapers. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for next Saturday, which is going to be October the 29th. Now next up, we have this $4 off coupon when you purchase one Miracle Rescue product and 2 other Pantene products. So all of those are pretty pricey and start out at about $6 each. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Pantene travel size shampoos. Those are priced at $1.75 each. So if you pick up 3, use this coupon, you're going to pay $1.25 for 3. So that is going to be a really good filler item for next Saturday. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Pedigree dried dog foods. So if you want to pick up the 3.5 pound bags, these are normally priced at $6.85. However, they are on sale right now, 2 for $13. And we also have another 3 off 1 digital coupon. So pick up 2 bags, use the 2 off 1 and the 3 off 1. That's going to leave you paying $8 for 2. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste. This works on the Colgate Max Fresh Charcoal toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.90 for 2. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Schick razors, the Schick and Skintimate razors. So if you want to pick up the Schick disposables, those are priced at $5.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.35. We have a 1 off 2 for the Lay's chips. Those are on sale, 2 for $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. Our 2 off 1 Gain is back. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have a 50-cent off 1 for the Tide Simply products and the Bounce dryer sheets. A $1.50 off 1 for the Finish dishwasher products. So this is a really good coupon for this week. If you want to pick up the 12-count Finish Powerball dishwasher tablets, those are priced at $3.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. And right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.25 rebate back on those. So that is going to make your final price just 90 cents. A great deal there. I really stocked up yesterday and included that deal with our 5 off 25s. Next up, we have a 1 off 2 for the Tombstone pizzas. Those are on sale, 2 for $9. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. We have a 1 off 1 for the Axe deodorants or body sprays. So there's a few different deals going on with the Axe products this week, so I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now because we do have insert coupons. We have a $1.50 off 1 insert coupon, and we also have a buy one get one free insert coupon. So you guys make sure that you stay tuned because I will have some insert coupon deals for DG this week. Now, if you do not get inserts in your area and you just want to deal with digital deals, this coupon does work on the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants, so I would consider that a glitch. These are priced at $2.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. Now, I always include the smaller 1.7 ounces in the glitch category because typically the insert coupons do not work on those at DG for whatever reason. But we're going to try out a few deals in store today, and I will definitely give you all an update on that ASAP. Now also with this coupon, we do have a 2 off 2 DG store coupon that also works on the 1.7 ounce deodorants. So you can pick up 2, that's going to put you at $5.90. Use this 1 off 1 plus that 2 off 2 DG store coupon, that's going to leave you paying $2.90 for 2. Alright, so like I said, stay tuned. But moving on down here, we have a 1 off 1 for the Palmolive dish liquids. So these are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. These are also on sale, 2 for $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. And I want y'all to be on the lookout for the orange bottles of Palmolive. Those are priced at $2.90, so they're kind of on clearance, I guess, at $2.90. So after the coupon, you'd pay $1.90. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer. These are priced at $5.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. We have another 2 off 1 CoverGirl eye product. So if you want to pick up the 2-count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We have a 2 off 1 for the Nivea lotions. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. And we also have a 2 off 3 digital coupon for the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs or 18 packs. So the 12 packs are on sale 3 for $12 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 3, which is not a bad deal at all. Moving on down, we have 1 off 2 for the Cheetos. Those are on sale 2 for $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. And then, sorry, I scrolled up a little bit too fast there, but that is a 1 off 1 for the Downy scent beads. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions. So these are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. However, we do have a higher value digital coupon right now, and that is for a 3 off 1. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. Next up, 50 cents off for the hefty trash bags. So those start out at $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.45. Hopefully everybody got in on that hefty slider storage bag deal last week. Unfortunately, that coupon did expire yesterday for that 2 off 2, but that was a really good deal. Alright, next up, 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face. There's a few older coupons that we went over last week. Of course, we have our Clairol hair color coupons. Here's one that we need to talk about. It's a 2 off 1 for the Downy products. Now, we do have a higher value $3.50 off 1 digital coupon for a couple of the products. If I'm remembering correctly, it was on the Bounce large count dryer sheets and the large Downy liquid fabric softener that you see pictured right there. So those are priced at $10.95. If you want to use this 2 off 1 coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. If you still have that $3.50 off 1 coupon though, I would definitely use that first before clipping this one to your account. Alright, next up, 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl Clean. That one never attaches to anything. We have another Clairol coupon, and then right beside it we have that 4 off 2 for the Preparation H products. So if you want to pick up the wipes, those are priced at $6. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. Moving on down, we have 2 off 1 for the Colgate Kids battery powered toothbrushes. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have 25 cents off for the Fabuloso and Ajax products. So the Fabulosos are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. If you want to pick up the Ajax, those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Moving on down, 1 off 2 for the drumsticks. So we do have a DG store coupon that you can pair up with this one, but it does expire tomorrow. So pick up 2. That's going to put you at $9. Use this 1 off 2 manufacturer coupon and the 1 off 2 DG store coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7 for 2 boxes. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Tylenols. So if you want to pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We also have a 2 off 1 for the 77 ounce Downy liquid fabric softeners. Those are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. We have 1 off 1 for the Energizer batteries. Now, in the next few months, we should be receiving some really good deals on batteries. Anytime the holidays rolls around, that is the time to stock up on batteries. We do have instant savings right now, but typically we get rebates and more coupons to stack along with a good instant savings deal. So definitely go ahead and clip that coupon and hang on to it for a little bit. Alright, we have 2 off 1 for the Motrin. The 20 count, they're priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Alright, next up, 1 off 2 for the Simply Popcorn. We also have a 50 cent off 1 for the soft scrub products. Those are priced at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We have a 1 off 1 for the Dove and Degree deodorants. However, I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now because we do have some higher value insert coupons, and I just want to make sure that I have all my deals covered and ready to go before I come back and clip this one. And then, of course, that 2 off 1 for the Dove men's body wash from last week. We have a 3 off 1 for the Kingsford charcoal. If you want to pick up the 8-pound bags, those are priced at $11. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 6.2 ounce bags. Those are priced at $6.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 1 off 1 for the Pedialyte. 25 cents off for the Renews It 3-packs. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have 1 off 1 for the Gas X, 1 off 1 for the Hello products, 1 off 3 for the Malto-Meal cereal bags. So this might be a pretty good deal. These are on sale, 3 for $8. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 3. I'm going to pass on clipping this 1 off 1 for the Flintstone vitamins because typically we get some higher value coupons for those. Next up, 1 off 1 for the DG Health Tussin Liquid 4 ounce. Those are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. So a pretty good deal there. Here is a new 5 off 30, and this one doesn't expire until November the 5th, so we're going to have that one for a couple of weeks anyways. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the Vitamin D3 60 count, those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. So we are going to end this out on a good note, and go ahead and clip that 1 off 1 DG Health Allergy as well. Now, before I let y'all go, I did have these 2 new Pantene coupons pop up on a different account. So we have this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the 2 packs of shampoos and conditioners. Those are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50, which is not a bad deal for Pantene. And then we also have this 6 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrient Blends. Now, this one wasn't attaching to anything in the app for me. However, if you can find those little trial and travel size Pantene nutrients at your store, I would definitely go ahead and scan those and see if that might be a freebie plus overage. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but like I said before, make sure that y'all stay tuned because we do have some really good deals going on at Dollar General this week. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And if you could, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.